Hi, this is a demonstration of a workflow that allows you to import an email message into emails and activities within Monday CRM. One thing that people often do when they're creating leads within Monday is hook up their Outlook email here. When an email is received to the Outlook inbox, they then create an item within Monday CRM within the leads board, and you can see that we've taken the data out of this item and populated various columns within the item. The additional thing that we're adding is this bit here, which is import an email message into the emails and activities. And what this allows us to do is connect to our Microsoft 365 account, and then based on the email message emitted by the first step, the message ID here, we can then go and grab that message from Outlook and populate it within the emails and activities feature within Monday CRM. If we update this now, we can then look in our leads table and wait for the email to arrive. And you can see that the emails arrived and populated various things. We've got the title of the email, the email address. But if we click in here, we can now see that the email has been populated into the activities.